Hi everyone, what is up? Hope you guys are having an amazing day so far. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Jesi, aka Rebel, aka Sassy Girl, whatever you wanted to call me. So anyway, as you guys have read in the title, I'll show you guys my gift to John Ray for our anniversary. Tomorrow is actually our anniversary. Filming it today. He's at school right now, which is perfect. He goes to school at night and I go to school in the morning. So you know, we kind of like miss each other a little bit. I don't know if he misses me, but we fight all the time. I can't believe we survived for many years. It's been a very rough road, and we are this close of like really, you know, breaking up. I don't know. Maybe I'm just a psycho. Maybe I don't know. So anyway, every gift that I got for him, this is nothing really crazy. It's just like purely fun. Obviously, if I have the money in the world, I would buy him a car, but until then, this is what I can afford right now, and I really think that he will like these gifts because this is based on his personality and his style and yada yada yada. I just think that he will use it, okay? If not, no, he has to use it because there's no way I'm gonna return these items. So let's go ahead and start. I hope you guys are fine with it. If I don't share where I got it, because John Ray watches my videos and I am not comfortable for him to like know the prices of all of the items that I am gonna show to you guys today. Okay, so let's go ahead and start. So first I got him this really nice shirt. That's terrible. What time? First time I saw this, I was like, that is freaking hilarious. I think this is something that he would really wear during the holidays just to, you know, he's like a funny guy. John Ray is like a funny guy, but I think I'm funnier. I don't know, but he has a good personality. But it says here, that's a terrible idea. What time? I got the size medium. I'm supposed to get the size small, but they ran out of sizes. I think a lot of people buy in that store. It's like a store that has like a lot of statement shirts, and I think that this is pretty cute. I got it anyway because the make of this one, I have like a strong feeling that if you wash this, it's gonna shrink a little bit. But yeah, this is the first item. And then the second item is another shirt, and it says, now this one is a size small. It says here, oh my gosh, I'm just here for the food. Again, holidays are coming up. I think this would be pretty hilarious. And it's black. It's gonna go along well with a lot of, you know, his clothing or the bottom or like the pants that he has already. So I have thought about that as well before I even buy these items, you know, something to match what he already has. What he already has. So I think that is pretty cool. And this is not like super thick. It's not super thin. I think, you know, it's just a nice piece of cloth, but I can tell though, like the quality is not like 100% cotton or anything like that. So I'm just going to fold it on the side. These are craft bags, okay? And these are, I think this is 6 pieces, 3, 4, 5, 2, 4. Yeah, this is 6 pieces. You have like 3 shades of blue right over here. I think it's pretty cool. So I'm gonna set this on the side. So the next item that I got for him is this really ginormous water bottle. I think it is freaking cute. It says here BPA free, which I do not know what that means, but I will find out. I mean, I don't give a shit, it's not mine. But I only bought this because it's so super cute. Please agree with me, okay? And I even like triple check this if it's in good quality or not, like this one, if it really closes like super tightly, and it does actually. And I think people would only buy this just so because it's cute, but you know what, I think this is really, it's a real water bottle, and I feel like it will really function. So yeah, I got this, and I think it's just super super cool. I love it. I actually want one for myself, but there's no pink. So yeah, I thought it would be a really cool idea if I get him one of these, because when he goes to school, he would always use like, I think the equivalent of that tumbler is like a glass and a half of water, and I think that is not enough. I love water so much, and that's just gonna be like one glug 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 for me, you know. So let me show you the other. I think out of everything, this is the only one that will not fit the paper bag, but let's hope and pray. But just by the look of it, I don't think it will fit, so I'm gonna figure that out. Let me go ahead and grab the next item that I got for him. Should I call this jogger pants? Okay, it's like, I don't know, it's what guys wear, okay? Like it's like a jogger pants. I think it's what you call it. I don't know. I love fashion, but I have no idea what do you call like men's pants, but it kind of looks like a jogger pants, but it is very stylish. Now genre, he doesn't really, I don't know, he doesn't buy clothes for himself, but I know what he likes though. He likes these really nice soft type of clothing. That's the reason why I got him this. And I know for a fact that he's a size small because he is skinnier than me. Like, it drives me nuts. So that's that. I think it is really cute as well. Do you guys agree? I know some guys like love wearing like, you know, jeans, but John Ray loves these, so that's what I got for him. And then next I have another jogger pants. Jogger pants. Okay, don't get mad at me, okay? Alright. So John Ray's favorite color is gray. Got him a gray pants as well. This is in the size small, and this is also fashionable. I know it's like, you know, more of like a jogging pants, but like I really think it's really nice and fashionable. This is something that he can wear outside. I really love these for him too. He loves these, and I love these for him too because I always wear leggings. Like, leggings is my shit. Like, if you see me wearing pants, that is like, it rarely happens. Like, I can definitely count the jeans that I have, probably like 5. I don't have a lot of jeans. But if you ask me how many leggings I have, I probably have like more than 50. I'm not even lying. And some of them, if they are not in my closet anymore, it means like the crotch part is done. It's gone. It's open. And even if you sew it, it's not gonna, you know, like, probably because the leggings that I buy is just like $5. But I really do have like good leggings as well. But yeah, speaking of leggings, I need to buy more leggings because those are the only ones that I really love to wear. It's a good thing that leggings right now, they have like different designs, but yeah. So the next thing that I got for him is actually shoes. And this is from the brand Adidas. I really like it. I think the reason why I bought this is because, again, his favorite color is gray. I bought this for him because I think it is elegant and it will go along well with a lot of clothes. It's not hard to pair with, but I think the only difficult part with these shoes is that, you know, to keep it really nice and clean. So that's gonna be the challenge for him. He's probably gonna hate me for this because I got him like a white one. But then again, it's a gift. You can't really choose, you know. It doesn't work that way. And then lastly, guys, I got him a wallet. Now, I really love this wallet just so because it already comes in a can, so it kind of looks fancy, but not really. It's from the brand Levi's, and this is what it looks like. Again, his favorite color, gray. And I was actually supposed to pick like the brown one because it's like super classy, and I saw the gray one and I was like, ooh, I like that. I like that it's different. Speaking for like a wallet, I need a new wallet too, but maybe in the future, because if I'm gonna buy a wallet, I want to buy like a wallet that I know that is probably like not really signature, but like I want it to be like super special, because when do you buy a wallet, girl? You don't buy a wallet all the time. Not unless you're, what, Paris Hilton or whatever, Kardashian. But this is what it looks like. It has a lot of card pockets right over here. Some wallets that they have, it kind of has like plastic that you insert and then you put some of the cards over there. I didn't end up choosing that because we already know, like, if that slips out, it's the end, okay? So this is what I picked for him. It's nice because it kind of has this really nice denim inside. Look. Oh, it's super nice. And I'm so excited to give this to him. Just so because, I don't know, maybe I'm the only one that likes all of these things. But I don't know, I think he will like it. He will like it because I give it to him. So I'm going to go ahead and try to put all of these in the bag right now. No! It's glued at the bottom. Damn. One paper bag down, guys. Okay, we're gonna tape that. Don't worry, we're gonna tape that. Everything is under control. Okay, you know what? It is a good thing that I have these. I kind of like want to tape it, but like not really because it's gonna look ghetto. So what I'm gonna do is that I am going to wrap the gift with this. So even if there's like a tiny little hole here, can't really see what's inside. Guys, so I was able to fit it in 4 paper bags. I think this is good so that I can use the rest of the other paper bags for this upcoming holiday. So that is pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you like these types of videos, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I can't wait to film more videos for you guys. Thank you guys for all of your patience. Thank you guys for always being here and for always supporting me, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!